What if I told you that a free AI tool could manage your money better than you do? No expensive financial advisor, no complicated budgeting apps, no monthly subscription fees, just ChatGPT, which you can open right now for free. And today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful prompts that can completely change how you handle your money. I personally tested every one of these, and I'm going to show you exactly what to type, what ChatGPT replies with, and how much money each method could realistically save you. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, the budget analyzer. Most people don't actually have a budget. They guess, they overspend. Then they wonder where all their money disappeared. ChatGPT fixes this in less than 5 minutes. Here's the exact prompt. Act as my personal budget analyzer. I will give you my monthly income and expenses, categorize my spending, find problem areas, and create a realistic budget I can actually follow. My monthly income is $4,800. My expenses are rent, $1,450, food, $780, subscriptions, $96, gas, $240, shopping, $420, entertainment, $310, utilities, $190. Most people who try this discover they're wasting at least $200 every month without realizing it. That's $2,400 a year. Hack number 2, the subscription audit. According to recent studies, the average American pays for between 8 and 12 subscriptions every month, but most people can only name half of them. The rest, quietly draining your bank account every single month. Here's the prompt. Act as my subscription auditor. I will list every subscription I pay for. For each one, tell me if it's worth keeping, if there's a cheaper alternative, and which ones I should cancel immediately. Most people save between $50 and $150 every month from this one step alone. Hack number 3, the bill negotiation script. Most people overpay for internet, phone, and cable bills because they never call and negotiate. Here's the exact prompt. Write me a negotiation script to lower my internet bill. I currently pay $95 per month. I want to reduce it by at least $25. Make the script polite, but confident. Average savings, about $20 to $50 every month. Hack number 4, the savings goal planner. Most people say, I want to save money, but they never create an actual plan. Here's the prompt. Create a savings plan for me. My monthly take-home income is $4,800. My monthly expenses are $3,700. My savings goal is a $5,000 emergency fund. I want to reach this goal in 8 months. This is literally what financial advisors charge hundreds of dollars for. Hack number 5, the debt payoff accelerator. If you have credit card debt, student loans, or car payments, this prompt is insanely powerful. Here's the exact prompt. I have the following debts: credit card, $6,200 balance, 24% interest; car loan, $11,000 balance, 6% interest; student loan, $18,000 balance, 5% interest. Show me the fastest and cheapest way to pay off all my debt. For many people, this saves between $1,000 and $5,000 in interest, all from one free AI tool. If you found this useful, subscribe right now, because I post AI money hacks and online income strategies every week. And comment below, which one are you trying first?